Wow, deputy.
So as you've just seen, guys, we've just done the 60-0 on the stock brakes, well, the uprated brakes, but actually they've just got grooves in them. They're the stock size, stock everything. I think we've even got yellow, I think we've got yellow stuff pads on the front on these at the moment. Not too sure on that, but don't quote me. But we've just done the best run that we got on 60-0 is the verified one is 4.56 seconds. So we don't know if that's good or bad. It seemed to stop pretty quickly and pretty well. So we're going to go and fit the big brake kit to the Golf R now. Back to the workshop and we'll see you in a second. Hey guys, so it's Dan from DK Tuning. As you can see here, this is episode 14 where we are fitting a big brake kit from Forge Motorsport to our Golf R, ready for the 7th of September, which is the Forge Action Day. So we're really excited to fit this big brake kit. We've been wanting to fit it for a while from Forge. It's 356mm calipers or something like that. 6-pot big brake calipers. There's a load of different things in the packages, as you can see from this video. So we're going to go and fit them now. Really looking forward to seeing obviously how much better it stops after the calipers and the discs and everything are fitted to it. I think it's going to be a great little project for us, just this little build today. And we're going to do that now and come and through to the workshop and let's see it getting done. So guys, I just want to show you the kit that we've actually got from Forge. So, as you can see, these are the new new rotors that we actually have, which you can see are really thick. They all look very motorsporty and very sort of shiny and big and new. These are the discs that we had taken off it. I think these were the Mintex ones, just the uprated ones. As you can see, the size difference is absolutely crazy. These are obviously a lot bigger, the Forge Motorsport ones over the stock ones, and these are the ones that at Castle Combe the last time we went there with Forge Motorsport for the German Performance Day. We had these brakes on. They'd just been fitted not long before and actually set on fire. So hence why we're now going big brake kit for some track stuff. As you can see, this is what a track day does too. These are yellow stuff pads as well. But you can see this is just absolutely melted from the heat that we cause on the track day. So we simply need more stopping power. This isn't the side either that set on fire, that was the other side, so these were obviously getting red hot. Those, you can see that's crumbled. That shouldn't really do that. So they're absolutely ruined. The discs are pretty bad as well. So we're fitting these 6-pot calipers, which are huge compared to the stock ones. As you can see, this is effectively the stock caliper part of it, and the rest of it's in there. But as you can see, that's the usual 4-pot, and this is a 6-pot size. And we have big yellow stuff pads to go on as well. So yeah, so we're just about to start fitting this now. As you can see, it's completely uprated over the stock stuff. It's a lot better.
as you can see guys, the stopping power now from the Forge big brake kit is absolutely crazy. We've just done some runs on the old Dragy app, and as you can see, Phil, we have got it down to 3 seconds, which is over a second and a half saving on 60 to 0 time, which is really good. And to be honest, the stopping power now is just absolutely brutal. Obviously 6-pot big brakes, big brake discs, you name it, the full works from Forge, and that's what you get from it. So not only is this obviously now safer, so in that aspect, obviously, you can stop a lot faster if a kid runs out in front of the road or whatever, but it's also obviously going to be a lot better on track. It means we can brake later into corners, means we can come, get more speed into the corners, etc, etc. So it's really going to help us, especially on track as well. So massive shout out to Forge Motorsport for obviously supplying us with these, this kit. We do supply and fit these on customer cars, as you will see on our social media pages, and they're a fantastic kit. We wouldn't use anything else for this platform. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, guys. Obviously, this is another one in our massive series that's coming for our project car, which is going through a massive transformation at the moment. So make sure you subscribe and obviously like this video. That would be very appreciated. Let us know your comments in the comments box below as well. Let us know what you guys think of the big brake kit, if you like it, if we should do anything else around it, any more filming, any more content. Just let us know, guys. But there'll be links in the bio below to the big brake kit, and also remember to click that little bell so you get notifications of our new videos that are dropping over the next few weeks. See you soon, guys. Thanks ever so much for watching.